Hi you guys, it's Stace. Welcome back to another video. I am so glad that you are spending a little time with me today. This video is for Saker. It is the mini portable vacuum cleaner. It's a 3-in-1 multifunctional mini vacuum cleaner. So 3-in-1, yeah, this vacuum says that it does 3 things with this one tool. So it sucks up dirt, blows up inflatables, or you can use it to blow out dirt in things like your keyboard or any other hard to reach places. And it can also suck the air right out of things like your inflatables, which make for a really quick pack up time. I'm so excited about all of the extra accessories that are packed inside of this box too. Let's go over them. So first off, it comes with a storage bag, which is big enough to fit all of the attachments and the vacuum in it. It comes with not one, but 2 filters. One is a fine steel filter and the other one is a HEPA filter. The HEPA filter is washable and can be used for about 2 to 3 months. And the upgraded version of the fine steel filter can be used again and again with just a simple water wash for longer service life. It comes with a Type-C data cable, which can charge your vacuum in about 3 hours. The floor brush, the multifunction air blower, the short flowing nozzle, the long and flat suction mouth and brush, the blow long nozzle, and the brush. Look how mini and cute it is, and it is so lightweight. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press it again to turn it up a notch, and press it again to turn it off again. Best thing has to be that it is portable. I did not know I needed this in my life. You also get the instruction manual for it. Read it before you use it. Okay, let's play. Let's clean. Yeah. Okay, I took it outside, and first up, we have a pretty deflated ottoman here. Let's see if I can get some air put into this. It's working, and this vacuum is pretty powerful too. How cool would this be for a pool inflatable, an inflatable mattress, or taking it on a camping trip? All done. It's so tight I could bounce a quarter off of it. The vacuum has about a 15-minute battery life until you need to charge it again. It will flash green when it's time to charge, and this is what it looks like when it completely stops. In the vacuum's defense, I have been using this vacuum like crazy, testing it out. It was also super simple to empty the canister. Just twist it off, remove the filter, empty the canister. You can clean off the filter. You can even use the little brush attachment to really get in there, or you can blow it with the other side of the vacuum. Replace the filter and attach it back to the vacuum. Will this portable vacuum pick up this rice? It didn't do a good job on the lowest speed, so I kicked it up a notch and no problem. How will the vacuum work with this spilled glitter? Oh no. Is the suction power enough for these paper clips? So that's it, you guys. 10s across the board. It's lightweight, easy to use, easy to clean, great suction power, nice battery life, and a great value for your money. This Saker 3-in-1 mini vacuum cleaner is available on Amazon. I'll drop a link in the description box below. You can check them out. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.